me somewhere to hit it. See the shape of it? You didn't just watch? Isn't that cool, bud?
You play with Play-Doh?
Yes, we do.
This is just like Play-Doh when it's 1800, 1900 degrees. We call
The 6-year-olds would be like doing like by the fire and stuff.
Yep.
And like the 10, 12-year-olds and stuff like that would be actually like doing the hammering and stuff.
Yep, exactly. And then
Yeah.
as they got older, they'll just keep, rotating and,
Yeah.
and learning different things.
And like Jackson, at 10, he would be hammering.
He would be hammering, yep. Isn't that crazy though?
Yeah.
All by hand.
Jax, you have
So,
to be hammering.
thank you, Mr. Kevin. That was an awesome experience. We were here at the blacksmith shop here at the Haygood historic site, Haygood Mill historic site. He gave us a nail, which was really cool. So we're looking forward to coming back, definitely. Every third Saturday of the month. They do classes too, blacksmithing classes. So we're looking forward to coming back and experiencing that. But really cool experience. And we're so grateful for him taking the time out of his day to give us that little gift, that present. He made that nail right there in front of us, and we'll always cherish that. So thank you, Mr. Kevin. We appreciate you so much. And it was an awesome experience that we'll never forget.